During this period, Japan entered a new era, which began with the abolition of the politics of isolation by the Meiji Emperor. Since this restoration took place, Japan, which was originally closed to foreign influences, has become open to all forms of foreign presence. Even the Meiji Restoration became a turning point, where Japan soon grew and developed into a developed and strong country. One of the policies of the Meiji Restoration was to send young people to study abroad. They are sent to America and Europe to study the field of technology that can be applied in their country. This was done to catch up with Japan's lagging behind Western countries, and at the same time increase its position in the eyes of the international community.